There are two connotations of law. One is a law and the second is the law. The first one is about a particular statute or enactment, while the second one is about the entire body of laws of the land. Now we'll go to the definitions of law. As regarding definitions of law, we'll see how the ancient jurists they defined law. The Roman jurist Ulpian defined it as the art or science of what is equitable and good, while Justinian defined law as the king of all both moral and immorals. So also the ancient Hindu jurist defined law as dharma or brata or vithi. So these are the definitions given by ancient jurists of Roman and Hindu jurists. So ultimately it is signifies that it is the king of all moral and immorals, as Justinian told, or as Ulpian told that it is the art or science of what is equitable and good, and the Hindu jurist equated it with dharma. So ultimately the very purpose of law is to provide justice in the society or in state. Now we'll go to the modern jurist. So how the modern jurists define law. Austin, the English jurist, defined law as a rule laid down for the guidance of an intelligent being by an intelligent being having power over him. So according to Austin, law is an instrument by the intelligent man to present the intelligence of the society to regulate and control the intelligent being, and that is otherwise called the behavior and conduct of man, and that through certain power over that individual. Bentham, the English jurist and social or legislative reformers, defined it a portion of discourse by which expression as given to an extensively and permanently enduring act or state of the will of a person or persons in relation to others in a state of superiority. So Bentham also defined it as the will of a particular person or persons, means the sovereign authority in a state, and that superiority is over the entire assemblies of persons or subjects in a state who are controlled and regulated by the rules and regulations made by that superior person or body of persons. The next definition is given by another English jurist, I.Holland. According to him, it is a general rule of external human action enforced by a sovereign political authority. So Holland also expressed the similar views that it is an external action, and that is why an superior sovereign political authority who generally control and regulate all the human behavior and conduct in that society by that sovereign political authority. And last but not the least definition given by Professor Salmond, another English jurist. According to him, law as a body or principles recognized and applied by the state in the administration of justice. So, according to Salmond, this is a body of principles and rules, and these principles and rules are applied by the state, that great political association. The very purpose of this is to administer justice in this state. So, Salmond's definition of law indicate towards civil law or the law of the land